Hi, I'm Dolph Jans, the Clear Income Strategies Group. I'd like to personally thank you for taking the next couple minutes out of your life to learn about how procrastination can only hurt you and cannot help you. We all know that time goes forward, time does not go backwards. And a lot of people decide to make time wait and make more time wait, and all you're doing is hurting yourself at the end of the day. Winnie the Pooh once said, "Why put off today what you can do tomorrow just as well?" Well, then tomorrow comes, and the next week comes, and so forth and so forth. Ask yourself how many times you answered these four questions. I'll look at it later. I haven't had time to look at it over. Well, I'm waiting for, I don't have time now, but to think about it really. I don't have that. These are some common procrastination things that people work with. But time is not getting any slower. It still ticks, 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 ticks every day of the month, every day of the year. Boom. One of the worst disasters that I could have in my lifetime and a lot of other people with devastation was 9/11. It's been 20 years since this happened. 20 years, how quickly things go by when it's just like boom, and things change over those 20 years. One minute your daughter's 5, the next minute you're giving her a hug saying goodbye, she's going to college. Procrastination, time goes by, things aren't going any quicker. It comes with your finances. I mean, if you can watch a Netflix movie, you can take a few minutes out of your day every year for you're not saying, oh, I'll look it over later. It's important to you now. Think of a gas can in a car. If the gas can in the tank runs empty, what happens to your car? It stops moving because you procrastinated at a quarter of a tank or half a tank to fill this thing up because you wanted a lower tank, or you didn't want to take the time out to fill the tank up right now. The same thing can happen, and then incurred costs happen because now you have to depend on somebody else to come pick you up. You have to call a tow company. All these things can happen to you. What happens when your bank account runs to zero because you waited too long to make any changes to provide that income for the rest of your life? Now, look at all the things that are opening up because you procrastinated too long. Now you have to depend on other people and you're not getting induced to spend the money you want to spend on. There's a lot of things about procrastination. It's like it only takes a few minutes to focus on things. Don't wait on things later in life. At Clear Income Strategies Group, this is what we do. We try to help you avoid procrastination by going over income plans to make sure your money is protected in case of a market downfall or switches within the economy, providing the insight to do that. If you want the information, we can provide the information for you, but look it over. Take a few minutes to look it over. Answer some questions for yourself. Because at the end of the day, procrastination can delay where you are going forward. Go to clearincomeforlife.com to learn more about the information on how not to procrastinate and how to move forward in the rest of your life. I'm Dolph Jansen. Thank you for sharing these last couple minutes with me, and God bless.